Have you ever wanted to speak English like an American, but didn't know what to say in everyday conversations? Well, you're in the right place. Today, you'll learn real English through fun conversations between Theodore and Isabella. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to introduce yourself, order coffee, and make weekend plans, just like native speakers.
Today's lesson is perfect for beginners. Listen carefully, repeat after the speakers, and imagine you're part of the conversation. Ready? Let's begin. Conversation 1. Meeting for the first time.
Hey, is this seat taken?
Nope, go ahead.
Thanks. I'm Theodore.
Hi, Theodore. I'm Isabella.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.
Are you from Boston?
Yes, I was born here. What about you?
I just moved here from Denver last week.
Wow, welcome to Boston.
Thanks. Everyone has been really friendly.
You'll love this city. There's always something to do.
I hope so. I'm still exploring.
If you ever need recommendations, just ask.
Thanks. I really appreciate it. Quick English tip. Did you notice these expressions? Nope means no. I just moved here means you recently came to a new city. I appreciate it means thank you very much. Great.
Conversation 2. Let's visit a coffee shop. Ordering coffee.
Good morning. What can I get for you?
I'd like a medium iced coffee, please.
Sure. Would you like cream and sugar?
Just cream, please.
Anything else?
What do you recommend?
Our blueberry muffin is really popular.
Sounds good. I'll take one.
Your total is $8.75.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. I come here almost every morning.
The coffee smells amazing.
Wait until you taste it.
I can't wait.
American English tip. Native speakers often say, "Sounds good," instead of, "That's a good idea." Another useful expression is, "I'll take one." This means, "I'd like to buy one." Easy, right? Conversation 3, weekend plans.
So, do you have any plans this weekend?
Not really. I'm still getting to know the city.
Would you like to join me and my friends on Saturday?
Sure. What are you doing?
We're going to a food festival downtown.
That sounds like a lot of fun.
There will be live music and great food.
Count me in.
Perfect. I'll text you the details.
Awesome. See you on Saturday.
See you.
Today's expressions. Let's review today's expressions. Nope. I just moved here. Sounds good. I'll take one. Count me in. Try using these expressions today. The more you speak, the more confident you'll become.
Excellent job. You practiced real American English used in everyday life. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more English conversations here on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.